All right, so people have been asking on how to bypass the new BVN policy for Opay. So there are different policy that BVN have the central bank have already provided, and Opay have already put everything into account, so there is nothing you can actually do about the bypassing of BVN. But for you to not use your BVN inside your Opay account, it means that you are actually running a level 1 Opay account, which of course it might not actually ask you to impute a BVN. So if you are running a tier 1, you can see right here, tier 1 do not actually tell you to provide your BVN or whatsoever. So the best thing you can just do is just use or keep using your tier 1 tier 1 account, and you may not need to provide any BVN or whatsoever. So but then if you have to upgrade to tier 2 or tier 3 or unlimited tier on Opay, you will have to follow the BVN policy, and then you cannot actually skip that. So it's a must for you to follow the BVN policy, and then you cannot actually skip that.